That's the tallest building in Amsterdam, and on top of it there are some swings that you can swing on. Yo, what is up, Dominators? It's your boy Dominic Neubauer, and welcome back to the second part of my Amsterdam adventures. If you haven't watched the first one, make sure to do so because they're all connected. Now grab some popcorn, get comfortable, and without wasting too much time, let's dive right in. Let's just say Dutch women are really pretty and they are something. Final review, red light district, 10 out of 10, would definitely recommend. Good morning, Dominators. We're starting the day off with a nice cup of coffee and an even better view. I don't know how we're gonna top up what happened yesterday, but we're gonna try. You know, I might just go back to the red light district again. By the way, this right here is the best wing mom on the planet. A round of applause, please. I'm not gonna deny or confirm what may or may not have happened yesterday with a certain female, but I just want to say it was all her idea. She's the one who gassed me up. And you know what? No regrets, I had an amazing time. I'm guessing y'all are familiar with the houses of Amsterdam. It might have not caught your attention, but as you can see, most houses are like tilted or they're sunken. And the reason behind this is that the houses are simply built on soft grounds. The more you know. Look, that house is tilted. That's another tilted building. Another tilted building. We are currently headed towards the Raj Museum. Let's hope they don't require a reservation or something. I'll see you guys there. My mom just left me. I got white shoes, so I can't join her in the grass. Yeah, great job, Dominic. Hey, birdie. I think that's the museum over there, but we're on the wrong side, so I think we have to go straight there and then cross this bridge so we can get there. Let's go. Okay, as you can see, we made it to the museum. Let's go in. Well, shit, turns out they're sold out. Oh, fuck. That right there, as you can read, that's the Van Gogh Museum. Again, tickets are sold out. Just our luck. Later. Okay, since we couldn't go into the museums, we decided to come to the Hard Rock Cafe to get something to eat because we're starving. We still haven't had any breakfast yet, so yeah, time to eat. I'd like to have a big cheeseburger, please. For my mom, a steak salad and 2 strawberry basil lemonade.
Yeah. Where are you guys from?
Germany.
Lovely.
Bro, look at this juicy burger. Oh my god, get into my belly. Oh my god, first bite. It's so delicious. Let me get a sip of my drink as well. It's a bit sugary, but you know, refreshing. That's all that counts. How's your meal, mom? Okay, that's great. Okay, now I get to go inside the shop and pick out some free glasses. Let's go. We got the goods, baby. And these are the ones I picked. Pretty cool. Yeah, nice souvenir. This is a cool building. It's like the perfect mixture between modern and old architecture. Hey, isn't this a perfect place to hypothetically smoke some? Mom, do you want to go to the nearest coffee shop?
Yeah, sure.
Alright, let's go. Oh wow, it's the same mysterious smoke again. We somehow ended up in the same place we started the day. Well, it's a nice place to chill. We got some company as well. Oh shit. Oh motherfucker. Damn bro, I can actually picture myself living here, you know. Like the people actually know how to live life. What about you, mom?
What about me? I like the city too. I come here more often than once.
English on point.
I have come here. I come children.
She basically tried to say that she has been to Amsterdam many times. Right, mom? You guys are going to call me a wimp, but I'm not really a big fan of the devil's lettuce thing. I guess I prefer alcohol more in that way. You know, I just don't like the aftertaste, and then fuck's sake, bro. And after you smoke it, bro, it slows all your motor functions like speaking. Your movements are slower. I'm just gonna turn the camera off. I can't function. Okay, my mom left me to go in this store real quick. I think the joint is starting to hit. I'm like a bit tipsy-ish. Yeah, those are some nice buildings. I don't know, man. This is probably just not gonna make the cut. My mom has been staring at this specific picture for 15 minutes.
Dominic, what's wrong with you?
Nothing. I don't know what you're talking about.
After you have smoked it, you can't even stand still. What do you want?
I don't know.
2 hours later.
So this right here is supposedly the most expensive restaurant in Amsterdam, and the reasoning behind it is once it's full, it can hold till 900 people. It actually starts sinking into the water. I don't know why you would want to pay more money to get wet, but it is what it is. And the reason why it sinks into the water is because the Chinese designers actually designed it to suit it for salty water, but since this is sweet water, it sinks into the water. I hope that was a good explanation. I don't know, I just got lost. Holy shit, you're actually lying if this isn't the sexiest library you've ever seen. Bro, imagine studying while looking at this view. Jesus Christ, this is gorgeous. Hey, welcome to things you can only see in Amsterdam. In today's episode, we have outdoor toilets. Damn, look at these, so freaking convenient.
Next morning.
Good morning, Dominators, and welcome back to day 3. So we initially wanted to get some waffles for breakfast, but as we were walking by this amazing pizza place and its amazing smell, we just had to stop and get a couple of slices. Look at this, oh my god. Let me get a nice big slice. Oh my god, look at the cheese. Oh my god, this is bomb. What do you think, mom? Was it worth it? Alright, as you can see, we just came to the countryside of Amsterdam. I wish the weather wasn't as gloomy, but hey, it is what it is. Anyways, I'm gonna let the instructor and the montage speak for themselves. Enjoy. Unfortunately, this is our last day in this beautiful city and I really don't want to leave, man. What about you, mom?
It's my 5th time I'm coming back.
Yeah, me too. Honestly, I love this place. All jokes aside, I'm seriously considering moving here for like a couple of years after I graduate from TUM. Yeah, the work and the free time balance here is on point. The people are super friendly. I'd imagine it's super easy to make some friends. And also, people work hard, they earn good money, but they also know how to spend it wisely and have fun at the same time. What more can you ask from life? And there are are countless business opportunities. Like the amount of startups I've seen is just wow. The entertainment industry is pretty evolved as well. I had no idea. So like this is pretty much the perfect transition city for me. Okay, mom, if I theoretically move in here, would you want to come with me?
What?
If I move here after I graduate from my university, would you want to move with me?
Definitely yes.
Ah, cool, I have my flatmate. Anyways, first things first, let's go get some breakfast. I mean, you can't leave Amsterdam without having some proper pancakes, am I right? What's this special pancake?
Vanilla ice cream and chocolate sauce.
I'll take that. Thank you so much. Oh my god. Ah, finally, I've been waiting for this moment for a long time, okay? Let me also get some ice cream and whipped cream. Oh, this is busting. Oh my god.
Later.
Okay, now, do you see that building over there? That's the tallest building in Amsterdam. It's like 100 meters. And on top of it, there are some swings that you can swing on. Pretty cool, right? Currently, that's our next destination. But as you can see, we are on the wrong side of the canal. So we need to go there using a ferry. Holy crap, it's so windy out here. Oh my god, those are the swings we're going to go on now. Oh my god. It's safe to say I will never be doing that again in my entire life. You know, before this, I was actually looking forward to skydiving in Dubai because it's been in my bucket list since I was a little kid, but damn, I had no idea I was scared of heights this much. Oh my god, I had the jitters on the entire time. I was freaking out. You know, it's not the height that scares you, but the thought of just falling down and just dying, oh, that just eats you alive. I'll think about the skydiving. Bro, I cannot believe this was us like a minute ago. This is all you see. Oh my god. Doesn't look that bad on camera, but trust me, that shit was scary. Okay, now we're gonna go on this virtual ride. Hopefully it's less scary than the swings. Let's go.
Derpity derp derp derp. Derp derp derpity derp derp derp. Derp derp derpity derp derp derp. Derp 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 derp.
I'm sweating like crazy. Oh my god, that was a surreal experience, right mom?
If you ever come to Amsterdam, you should definitely try it out.
Damn right.
Much later.
Unfortunately, every good thing must come to an end. This right here is my bus, so I'll see you guys after 13 hours of torture. Bye. Dominators, I hate to say it, but that's the end of the trip. That hurt. Amsterdam is honestly such a beautiful place. If you ever get the chance to visit it, make sure to do so. Oh, also, I'm never smoking the devil's lettuce again. I don't know if you realize, but it makes me bloat. This was before I went to Amsterdam, and this was on our last day. Look at those chubby cheeks, you just want to squeeze them. Anyways, as you can see, I also copped some nice souvenirs. Wait a sec. Let's do it again. Oh yeah, I got this one as well. Jeez, the outfit is on point, baby. I think I'll be going back to Amsterdam in a few months. Maybe I'll see you guys there. Who knows? I really hope you guys enjoyed watching the vlogs. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys on the next one. See ya! Okay, I'm gonna go get a haircut now.